Okay, folks, we're picking back up on page 118 to set the print titles. So I'm not actually asking you guys to print these out, but it's good for you to know how to adjust the headers and things like that. So that's why we're doing this. For this class, again, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. But so page 118, to set the print titles. So let's get back into our guy here. So on the page layout tab, so make sure you're in the page layout tab. Find the page setup group, which is just beneath there, and click on the print titles. So when you click on the print titles, dialog box comes up. And in the print titles, in the print titles section, so print titles, so it shows rows to repeat at top, columns to repeat at left. Move the pointer over the worksheet and select the range A1 through A2. So I might need to make mine a little bit bigger here. Okay, I need to make my document a little larger. I'm going to go back to print titles, and I'm going to pick, click the rows to repeat at top, okay, and move the pointer over the worksheet and select the range A1 through A2. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, so it's going to show up as 1 and 2. So then on the columns to repeat at the left, select columns. Make sure it's selected in there. Select columns A and B from the worksheet. Okay. And if you look at the image on page 118, you should kind of see yours should be showing up a little bit like that. So I'm on step 4 now. So click the Page tab and left of that dialog box. In the scaling section, change the adjust amount to 65% of normal size. So you can just type in there, adjust to 65% of normal size. Click the Print Preview. Okay. Down at the bottom. And then you should see that there will be 3 pages and what they're going to look like there for you. And when you look at page 119, the image on page 119, figure 242, yours should look much like that there. So you're going to have 3 pages. I'm at the bottom of page 119, so to create the header and the footer. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to save my document here. And I guess I was supposed to stay there. Let me redo that one more time here. I'll go back to the print titles and go to the print preview. And then in the page setup group, so I'm looking for the page setup, and that's down here at the bottom. So if I click on the header and footer, I can actually add some stuff there. So I'm going to click on a different first page checkbox to select it. And then on step 4, click custom header. I'm going to get a custom header. And on the header tab, click the type file name : in the left section box. file name, colon, and then press the space bar, and then click the Insert File Name button. Okay, so there's going to be a variety of little images there, and you want the Insert File Name. Okay, so the code ampersand file in brackets is going to show up there. So press the Tab key a couple times, and then we're in the right section of the header over here. Click the Insert the Current Date button, insert the date, and it should say ampersand date, and then choose the OK button. And now click on the custom footer, click the center section and type page, press the space bar, and then click on the insert page number. So the code ampersand page inserts the current page number, and the word page is just to the left of it. And press the space bar, type the word of, and then press the space bar again. And then click on the number of pages. And so it's going to be page 1 of something or another. So we get 3 pages, so it's going to be page 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Click the first page footer near the top, click the right section, and then in the right section type the word prepared by, colon, press the space bar, and just type your name in there, like that. And then choose OK. And we're back to the page setup dialog box. So to set the left margin, click the Margins tab, and then double click the left box so you can select the size and type a 1 in there for the left. Okay, so we've got a 1 in there, so check your work against the figure 246 on page 122. We're going to choose OK, and then so we're going to return back to the workbook itself. I'm going to save that as well. I guess I closed the whole thing. That wasn't what I wanted to do. I need to open that back up. MRH sales. I'm going to do a print preview. Okay, I can see everything there. Perfect. Okay, should be good. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to my normal view so I can see everything there. And all of my print areas are gone. All that stuff is gone again. I've got a pretty good looking worksheet. I'm going to save my work, and now you can upload that into our Dropbox for tutorial 2. And you should now begin working on the review assignment on page 123 and 124. So the EX 123, 124. You'll need to work through that yourself and then upload that into the review. And that's the review assignment's going to require you to find the menu.xlsx, and then you're also going to need that background to image. So, good job.